Every journey starts with one step. For PS Agri-Tech, it has always been a journey forward. Since its inception, PS Agri-Tech has always been innovating in components manufacturing. Be it for agriculture machinery, automobiles machinery, construction machinery, defense equipments, or various other industries. Every challenge brings opportunities for us to be strong, dream big and make it happen. Our strength lies in our team who constantly adapts with the new technologies, our vendors who understands our requirements for raw materials well, our customers who have full confidence in us for quality and promptness. In PS Agri-Tech, every component is not made by machines, it is made by heart. Not only in India, even in international markets, PS Agri-Tech is known for its reputation in precision. We have been certified with ISO 9001 by TÜV for our quality management system, as per with global standards. Besides, we have a well-audited quality system to ensure the best of international standards on continuing basis. We consistently upgrade quality management system as per the latest specifications. We are now ready to move in more advanced components manufacturing, like aviation. Scaling new heights every day.